Hello, third grade parents. This is Miss Petty and Block 2. And we are here to tell you a little bit about the questioning strategies that we are teaching in class. Now, we all know that we're listening to our inner voice as we read, and the skill that we are focusing on right now is asking questions about what you're reading, but also looking for those answers. And with the help of Block 2, we're going to go over some of the strategies that we use to find answers to the questions that we ask, okay? The first type of question is a what will happen. So it's a question that you're asking, you're kind of making a prediction about what may happen in the story. You don't know yet, you haven't found the answer yet, but you're thinking ahead, and that's kind of a roadmap to guide you in your reading. Now, when you get to a what will happen question, you have to
slow it down and read. Read on, read on.
Very nice, okay? Now, the next type of question that we've been practicing is a what just happened, okay? And that's when you're reading and you get to the end of a chunk and everything's kind of fuzzy. You understand a little bit, but there's a lot that you're just really confused. You need to clarify, okay? So when we come to a question where we just think, wait, what? Did they do that? We have to rewind. Very nice. The next type of question is a what in the word question. When we come to a what in the word question, that means we're reading and we get to either a word that we either can't sound out or we don't know what it means, or it could be a phrase that we don't understand, and that really affects our comprehension. So when we come to a what in the word question, we have to
stop, collaborate, and listen. Use the clues, word, structure, and position.
Very nice. And the three strategies that we teach them are use the text clues, read around the word, actually up here, read around the word structure, look for any part of the word that you know, prefix, a suffix, a base word, or apposition, which is when they'll give you the definition after the word or as a footnote, okay? Now, the other type of question is a lingering question, a question that you have as you're reading, and it's just kind of hanging out there. You can't find a definite answer straight from the text. So there are two strategies that we use when we come to these lingering questions that we can't find a straight answer. Okay, the first and really the most difficult strategy is to use inferencing, and that's where you take part of the text, you get part of your answer from the text, and then the other part of the answer you really just have to think, and we call that merging our thinking to be able to figure it out. So when we make inferences, we put
two together and figure it out.
We put two and two together and figure it out. All right, and the final strategy that we've been practicing, this is also for lingering questions, those questions that you can't find an exact answer for in the text, and no matter how long you spend reading the text, it doesn't matter how long you think about the answer to this question, you just cannot find an answer because there's not an answer in this text. So you have to, when you're looking
in the book and the question has shook, please let it fall. Find a resource.
Yes, for these questions, sometimes the answers aren't in there, so you do have to find another resource. Get in a different book, maybe do research on the computer, or maybe ask an expert, okay? All right, well, thank you for tuning in, and these are the strategies that we are working on here, and your students should be able to explain all about them at home. All right, thank you. Say bye.
Bye.